Can't stop for a red light.
Red light, red light.
Still but broke Kanye, can't wait till my bread right.
Can't wait till my
Bad
bread
boy
right.
sucking
Bread
out
right,
five. The head right, Molly there at night. Young kick from the field and I stay fly. Pull up, only question with the bed light. Kill pussy, it ain't got nine lives. Hard timing like a Nissan. Then bring that's 10 man.
10 man.
Happy 4th of the Low Friday, everybody. It's your guy Hitch. If you are not familiar with this segment of my channel, it's all about showing you different ways of being able to cop kicks below retail. Sneakers are super expensive in some instances, and this is my opportunity to show you guys different ways or things that I've found, hacks, things like that to save money. I've gone ahead and also created a playlist on videos where I have bought sneakers for cheap or dirt cheap in some instances, and it just shows you different ways where you can combine coupons, be able to make money back by using Ebates and so forth. Most recently, when I was on my hunt looking for the porcelain dunks, if you have not watched that video, you can go and do that. While following Nike SB or Nothing, they post a bunch of links for different skate shops so you can know who has them, you can call them up, whatever it may be. I noticed that they also started posting sellers in their IG stories, and D3 LA Souls happened to be one of them. I went to his page and realized that he was selling cold pizza dunks for $75, and I had to inquire. Now, I was a little bit hesitant because he didn't have a website, he didn't have a large following on Instagram, but he kept sending me additional pictures as I was asking for them so I can see if they were legit, and he accepted PayPal, so I went for it. If you're ever going to take a risk on buying something from a retailer or somebody that you're really uncertain about, use PayPal, they got your back. So long story short, D3 LA Souls did not scam me because the shoes are official.
Message.
He shipped my Jones out the next day, and 3 days later I got them. Now they seem like a very simple colorway, silver, black, and white, but like all dope dunks, when you look closely, you see the details. Your entire upper is made out of this silver faux aluminum foil, which I love. You have your standard SB laces and tongue in black. At the top of your tongue, you're gonna have your Nike SB logo in white. On both your lateral and your medial sides, you have your swooshes in black leather. That black leather wraps around to the heel tab on the back where you have your Nike text in white. Below that, you're gonna have your white threading in your midsole. Your outsole is mainly black, and then you have your midfoot along with your Nike SB logo in white. Back on the inside of the sneaker, you have your black lining and then more details on the insole. That insole is going to have a picture of a pepperoni pizza on top of aluminum foil. Back in 2016 when these dropped, they were $100, and I've been wanting to double back on them for the longest, but I couldn't find them at all, and if I did, I couldn't get them at a decent price. So shout out to D3 LA Souls on Instagram for being a stand-up guy. Let me get them for $75 dead stock. Use social media. It is a tool. This is my first time ever buying sneakers off Instagram, but I've talked about Nike Talk before, which is a great forum. I've bought sneakers off there. I've heard about people selling sneakers on Facebook groups. If you're gonna take the risks, just make sure you use PayPal so that you're protected. But I'm giving these a 4.5 on a scale of 1 to 5. Let me know what you guys think about these. If you enjoyed the video and you want to continue to see 4th of the Low Friday videos, let me know. But make sure you also go and subscribe to my channel, hit the thumbs up, hit the bell so you're notified when I'm dropping new videos, and go and enjoy y'all weekend.
Hard timing like a Nissan. Then bring that's 10 man.
10 man.
Hit a clone with the pizza. Room with the kickstand.
Kick it, that's bang.
Your team full of has-beens. No hope like a Knicks fan.
No hope like a Knicks fan.
No we and I ain't just mad cause I been him.
Just mad cause I been that nigga.
Young king from